Hello everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make two different styles of icicle ornaments. The first style is going to be really beautiful and beaded, and the second one is more of a farmhouse style icicle. For the first one, you need a variety of beads, and as you can see over on the side, I have several that go down in size. So starting with a large one at the top and then gradually getting smaller as they go down. You'll also need wire and some pliers to help you bend the wire. Now to make the top of it, you're just going to gently twist around a portion of the wire and twist it around with your fingers to make a little hole. That is going to be the top so that you can put a Christmas hanger through it. And then after cutting off the excess wire, you will kind of pinch that so that it won't poke anybody. Now figuring out the length, I just lined all these beads up so that I know the exact length that I need, but I cut it a little bit longer because I need some excess to roll it up at the end. And then of course, after I have the wire the right size, I then just start stringing the beads on there. Now you can use a variety of beads. You can do glass ones, plastic ones, just as long as you have several different styles. Making sure that I have the right length, I do trim it a little bit, and then I just take the ends of the pliers and wrap it up into a round little circle so that none of them fall off. And here is one of the finished icicles. It's just that easy. And I do have these fancy Christmas hooks, but you can definitely use a normal Christmas hook if you'd like. I have made around 100 of these in the past, and I'm only down to having 4 left, so that's why I wanted to make some more. I also just wanted to use up as much supplies as I have instead of going out and buying a bunch of new stuff all the time. And just to show you the different styles, I made a little montage of all the ornaments that I made. After getting them all on the metal wire, I just did that last step of taking the pliers and twisting it around into a circle, and I ended up making 9 of them. Not only do these make a beautiful Christmas ornament, but also a great winter craft. For the second ornament, I'm using wooden beads, and I came up with a variety of styles using all the different colors that I have. After figuring out my designs, I added a couple other embellishments, and I had these little red and white tassels from a totally different craft that I've never used before. So I used a crochet hook to string my jute through it, and I'm going to be using jute to hang all of these beads. And after getting the right length, it's as easy as just stringing them on in the style that you like. And I'm kind of doing a style like going from small to big, back down to small again. And this was the first one. Now the second one, I decided to do a little jingle bell at the bottom because I'm using some very plain beads that don't have much color. And I know that's some people's style, but for me, I need color. I love red, I love green, I love all the sparkle of Christmas. So that's why I decided to zhuzh this one up a bit and added a sparkly jingle bell at the bottom and also a red ribbon at the top. And that is the second style. Now for the third one, I decided to do a little jingle bell again, but then just added some really colorful black and red beads. I know this is also a really popular style, kind of with the buffalo plaid, and I happen to have the perfect ribbon for the top of this one as well. So this is similar to the last one that I did, but just with some more colorful embellishments. And for the last one, it is very similar to the first, but the beads are a little bit different in color. And I'm going to end up making a lot more of these. I only ended up making 4, but I enjoyed making them so much. I think they look really cute all together. If you enjoyed this craft, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really do hope you enjoy these icicles. They are some of my favorite crafts that I make. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.